to clean out the filter of this Whirlpool dishwasher. And so what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to have the door open, as you can see. Come in. I'm going to pull out the bottom rack. And then I'm going to reach in. I have to get down a little bit. Reach in. Move the propeller a little bit. And then take the filter right here. Twist it. Pull up. And then bring it out and look at it. There's some grime in there. I'm just going to simply rinse it. It's not too bad. I'm going to just take this, rinse off the filter. Get anything that's at the top, pull that off. Just rinse this out. Get that. It's just a little bit of sediment on here. It's not too bad. I've seen it a lot worse. Just gonna run warm water over it. If it gets too bad, you can probably get a brush and use a brush on it, but it's not horribly bad. So I can just simply do water on this to get it clean, get the inside as well. Get the top, make sure you get all the stuff off. Now once you've gotten that off, just gonna simply turn off this, make sure there's nothing caught up in there. Don't see anything in there. And then just take the filter, put it back in, tighten it back up until it clicks. That's how you clean the filter. Let me know if you have any questions.